Hello friends, myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk over the water, shortage of fresh water, crisis of fresh water, region of crisis of fresh water, how it can be overcome. Water is a precious natural resource. Without water, no any living being can survive their life on this earth. We, the human being, use the water in many different purposes, like bathing, washing the dirty cloth, washing the vehicles, floor, and many other purposes like this. Nearly 75% of total area of earth is covered with water, but still the crisis of fresh water occurs almost all part of this earth. There are a lots of the reason behind it. Most of percentage of water lies in seas, ocean, river, canals, and in many water bodies like this. This water is not fit for drinking. A different kinds of the salt and other impurities dissolve in this water. So this water cannot be usable. A few amount of the drinkable water, fresh for drinking water, lies in the polar ice caps in form of the ice, underground water, and also in form of vapor. The saline water, which are found in sea and ocean, can also be made drinkable, but it is a very expensive process. We cannot change a lots of the saline water into the drinkable water. By natural process, something is being changed every day. Evaporation, we know it very well. Changing of water into the water vapor naturally at all the temperature is called evaporation. So evaporation, water from water bodies are get changed into the water vapor constantly and goes higher and higher and change into the form of cloud, and that cloud now become more condensed, change into rain which falls on the earth. It is called rain, and this rain recharges the groundwater, and groundwater is fit for drinking. It is very fresh, but it is less percentage because rain is also going on decreasing order. In olden days it rained heavy, but nowadays there is a very scarcity of rain. What we need, the rain, we do not get. There are also some reason behind it. Due to deforestation, industrialization, misuses of water, pollution, etc. are the main cause to reduce the amount of the rain. So we should know, if there is a less rain, then less recharge of groundwater can occur. Groundwater is the main source which we fetch and use for drinking purposes. But most among us fetch the groundwater and use it many different purposes like bathing, washing the dirty cloth, washing the vehicles, washing the floors, and some other works like this. We most among us misuse the water very rapidly, and we know that industrialization and urbanization and deforestation causes the shortage of water very rapidly, because industrialization, deforestations, urbanization are going on very rapidly, and that is why the amount of pollution, air pollution also goes constantly, and the amount of carbon dioxide and other impurities occurring in our atmosphere also very rapidly. So it reduces the amount of rain. Nowadays, the crisis of fresh water, crisis of drinkable water occurs almost all the part of this country. People has to cover a long distance to fetch the fresh water, and so the people or the children who are engaged in this work get tired very easily. They get the less time to pay on their study or on their other work. The women in rural areas also do the same things. So we should know the importance of fresh water. We should control over our habits like misusing the water by not washing the vehicles, not washing the dirty clothes. We should find some alternative ways like rainwater harvesting. We should collect the rainwater and we use that rainwater in many different purposes like washing the cloth, bathing, washing the vehicles, washing the floor, and also in some other purposes. Deforestation can be banned. This deforestation should banned strictly, and if the plant get matured and we coming need to cut it, then we must plant in place of that matured tree. It is true that the matured trees or the trees who become nearly 20 or 25 years, definitely it should be cut down. It should be cut. But in place of that, there must be trees and plants must be planted there, must be grow there, so that the things where you getting the tree must be make up with the new plants. So plantation should be encouraged. New plants and trees should be planted everywhere, so that the formation of cloud or percentage of rain can be grow very easily. The importance of fresh water or recycling of water, both are very necessary, very urgent, very needful things in our life, and we are responsible for everything. If there is a crisis of water occurs, we are responsible for it. If we want to overcome the crisis of water, we can do it very easily. For the newcomers, there must be the availability of fresh water in bulk, so that they must not feel the problems which arise generally, lack of fresh water, scarcity of fresh water. So we should know the importance. If pollution is get reduced, definitely the amount of the rain, which are the main sources of recharge of groundwater, can be increased. More evaporation can takes place from the water body, and more cloud can be formed, which produce more amount of the rain. That rainwater can be harvested, can be collected in a fresh place or in a dump place, so that that amount of the water which has been collected by the rain or by the rainwater harvesting not only recharge the groundwater, but also can fulfill a lots of our work for which we fetch the groundwater or misuse the groundwater. So nowadays it is the alarming message. We should take care over it. We must not misuse the water. We must not misuse the fresh water. We should find out some alternative way for our other work except drinking. Drinking purposes fresh water must be used, but other than drinking purposes we can use some other water like rainwater, well water, river water, and something like this. So in short, I want to say that we should control over our habit. We must not use the things which pollute the air. More and more plantations should be done. Less amount of the smoke from the chimney or vehicles should be produced. We should use the vehicles which produce less amount of smoke, or complete combustion of fuel should be done. We should avoid using of old model vehicles. We should also use the filtration process in chimney or the other sources from which a smoke come out and mix directly into the atmosphere. We should reduce the cutting of tree. We should control over the deforestations. If we form these kinds of the habit, definitely we can overcome the water crisis, as well as more and more chances of happening of rain. Rain in India is more important because cultivation works depend on rain. So rain occurring of more and more rain producing the good message financially, it is also urgent. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment along with the topics about which you want to know more and more. I shall try my best to select all the points, topics, subject, and discuss over it in details in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.